Back in 1988, the Cherokee Tribal Council renamed the purple shell mussel to Mankiller pearl shell in honor of Wilma P. Mankiller, our first elected female principal chief. And these shells, you can tell by how old they are by the growth rings. And when they're cut, you can see them in the side of the shell, like on this one. When it's cut, you can see the growth rings show up. So something like this might have been 20 years old, and they'll grow up to be 300. But these are all native shell to the local lakes and rivers here in Oklahoma. I saw that rainbow color down in the mud, and when I pulled it up and wiped it off and felt it, I knew I had something big enough, thick enough, colorful enough, and pretty enough to make shell gorget and beads out of. So that's how I got started in that back in 1975.